Slickly Entertainment.
Shawty wanna trip, so I told her she can walk it out. Cause I ain't got time for the pettiness. I'm 20-something, I ain't getting no younger, so my man is on this Fetty, yeah. I'm about this Fetty, yeah, I'm trying to come up. So many obstacles in my way, man, I'm glad I can jump. Man, it's a problem after problem, it never fail. Gas up, I'm on my way to heaven, right now I'm going through hell. Yeah, so all this drama, y'all can leave it alone. Or y'all can be stuck singing that same old song. Yeah, that's how we wish it would be, but going through this here continuously. Too many rules of the road, do your own thing, stay out of harm's way, it's what I was told. Live your life to the full and stay sucker free. Try not to trip over the things, yo, just let them be and let them see that. Don't trip, don't trip. Sick of these games being played, steady arguing over the phone. Don't trip, don't trip. If you don't like what I'm doing, the hell with it, baby girl, you can prove me gone. Don't trip, cause I picture my life as a king sitting on the throne. Don't trip, cause I'm dipping, baby, obviously I'm on a mission, baby, ain't bad cause I don't trip and watch how low all the drama get. To know I'm being crossed, Joe, how mad you think I'ma get? And I'm against all lies, from haters and fakers smiling all in my face, and they wish upon all stars that do dirty fall off, hoping that I don't make it. I know it's motivation, so I beat them like OJ cases, and they ain't tripping, man. But I be damn if I let these stupid ass fools ever catch me slipping, man. A majority of times I got into it and let it slide, cause that ain't enough beef for me to eat, cause I'm a giant. Yeah, I'm a giant, and I'm on top of my game. Don't want no head-on collision, then partner stay in your lane. I maintain the loyalty that I have for what's mine. Same loyalty I like to receive from all my guys, including my fam, cause they'll switch on me too. Slander my name and run it in the mud, what that do? Dirty people get dirty treatment, cause what goes around comes back around. And when it come back around, better believe it ain't no backing down, cause surprising can show up in the worst way. That's why I keep a cool head, even on my worst day, but still I don't trip, don't trip. Sick of these games being played, steady arguing over the phone. Don't trip, don't trip. If you don't like what I'm doing, the hell with it, baby girl, you can prove me gone. Don't trip, don't trip. Cause I picture my life as a king sitting on the throne. Don't trip, cause I'm dipping, baby, obviously I'm on a mission, baby, ain't bad cause I don't trip, it's what I told Shorty Low. Stay focused and try to stay out of jail, man, we got it low. And don't trip, it's what I told Hair Russia. We go a long way, my nigga, I look at you like my brother. And don't trip, it's what I told M-Dot. Practice humbleness, stay out of situations that they get you knocked. And don't trip, it's what I told Stephen Lowe. Big bruh, do you, but keep your eyes on these people, Joe. And don't trip, it's what I always tell K-Lo. If it ain't one thing, it's another, man, I see you trying to lay low. And don't trip, it's what I told J-Lo, D-Lo, Pooh Bear, Tone, and Twan.